Good morning. Let's ditch the car camper and check out some tiny homes. I'm currently on Mount Shasta. That right there is my morning view. This is the one that's still under construction. So like I said, this one's still under construction, but you can just see the potential. They got the hot water heater. They got the sink right here. These windows is what I'm really in love with. Like there's just windows everywhere, lighting from all angles, wood burning stove or fireplace. I don't know. Super high ceilings in here too. I think this is just like a water house. What's upstairs? What's in the attic? What? So their water pump house is gonna be a crib too. Yeah, there's gonna be a house up here too. Something in the woods. Is this thing gonna fight off a bear? I just heard something from within the tiny home. Let's check out this tiny home though. This one is sick. Ooh. Got the upstairs loft. Stairs leading up to it, stair ladder leading up to it. You got your chill spot out here. Coffee table, everything you need really. There's all types of decorating in here. A lot of Native American themed. Got the heater down there. Picture of Mount Shasta. Books, all types of knickknacks. A lot of books. A peaceful place to come read. This thing is dope. I don't know what that thing is, but it's freaking cool. Very mossy log right there. And then the firewood stuff. Extra bed you can lay out. Yep. This is the view from upstairs. You have the outhouse right here. The world's most scenic poos. I think I'd want to be constipated if I was taking a dump out here. I want to stay here all day. Some mulch on the seat and stuff. It's not poop. Very nice outhouse. Let's go check out a couple more things, a couple more highlights. Boom, floating deck, kind of just in the middle here. Fireplace, deck, Mount Shasta. You feel the void, hope you find peace in yourself. I'm a mouth breather. I literally breathe through my mouth so much. Jesse, we need to cook, Jesse. Yo, Mr. White. Does this sound like a horse? Make sure to not die, like our eggs. Go ahead and grab the cleaning device too. Water, soap. Might just get all our cooking done right now. Let's get to cooking. Ran on some butane fuel. They're $3 a canister, and I go through one maybe. If I'm just cooking eggs, I can make it last a week easy. But with these stainless steel pans, you gotta get the pan super hot. There we go. 3 successful cracks. Love me some crack. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Because they're basically done. This egg's more raw than cooked. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see. Delicioso. Shout out Mighty Chris. I want it to be water inside that yolk. I want to get big so bad. That protein in my system. I want to get big, bro. I might do a 7-day fast to get my 6-pack back. I used to think flexing in the mirror was kind of for like tools. It's the best way to like appreciate progression when working out. Like watching that daily progression and getting that pump is such like good motivation. If you're sitting at home, if you're at work, if you're out and about, drink some water. I saw a study that 95% of people, not 95% of Americans, 95% of people are dehydrated on their day-to-day life. Dehydration leads to so many bad things, like cognitive functions. It makes you process your thoughts slower. Motivation, energy, also sunlight. Water and sunlight, get those 2 things. You need that vitamin D, baby. Don't want to drop anything here. Whip it up, flip it up. It's boiling. Just look at this mountain though, guys. That is incredible. I need to get this chicken chopped up before. Okay, that's what our chicken's looking like now. Seasoned up, ready to go. There we go. This is what we're working with our meal preps. It's gonna be a lot more chicken. As you can see, we only did 1 round of chicken. We have 2 or 3 more rounds to cook, so they're gonna be filled with chicken. But yeah, this is just an example what it looks like now. Don't wanna run my car. Just plug this bad boy in. All right, it's charging. Actually what the finished product would be looked like. Loaded with chicken, some rice, a little bit of veggies. Those are the meal preps. Ready to go. I'm gonna clean this mess up. I wanna go get a good view of that mountain. I heard there's some waterfalls around here, so we're gonna check both those out, and then I might start driving to the redwoods or whatever's closest to here. Here we are at Middle McCloud Falls. Hopefully get a good view here. Oh, wow. How far is it up, you think? Half mile? That's not bad. Let's just go down and hop in. This view is definitely better. Beautiful. How far down is it, do you think?
Where?
To jump in the water.
From where?
From right here.
I would not jump in the water from right there.
Oh, no. Like, how long is the hike down?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's not very far.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. I would not jump in the water from right there. Well, duh, there's no water around. That's hilarious, though. I'm killing this hike in these slides. Hole in the sock, by the way. Now we're like right there. I missed it. Dude, where'd you enter? Just like down there? That one? You jumped off that one? This is the coldest water I've ever experienced in my entire life. Definitely not as bad the second time around. I'm about to get sunburnt, so we gotta get back to the car. Wanted to get a cool little video, but he hopped up there. I'm just gonna sit here, vibe out. Look at that. These setups are clean. Big old roof nest. You got the shell in the back, so you got tons of space. You can have a whole camping setup, and then that's where you sleep. And then I definitely want to do one of those and build out the back of the truck. Those setups are always been appealing. Now we are here at Siskiyou Lake. There's a better view of that. Oh, paddleboarding up there would be awesome. Okay, I realized it's gonna take me a while, like 3 miles to hike to where I wanna be, probably longer than that. So I'm gonna walk back to the car and drive to the spot where I wanna be. All these little mushrooms. I almost thought it was like pieces of gum. Very interesting. I wonder what those are. If those are like nests. Is that a mushroom?
But once you get this for the day, you can drive in and out. Then you don't have to
Perfect.
pay again.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh my God. Lake Siskiyou, nah. $3 later. Boom. What was that? Oh, no. I was just gonna go out there and take a picture.
Okay.
Is that okay?
You're okay. I just have to escort you, all.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'll stay behind you so you can get the...
You're all good, brother. The more the merrier. Is there a beach? Everyone like...
Oh, yeah. By the general store.
Uh-huh.
It's like a football field worth the distance, and you'll just walk down and it'll take you to the beach.
Is that pretty nice?
I like it.
Yeah.
On certain days, it's very crowded, but, you know, thing and the hazard zones.
What was that?
A big old fish.
So other than like this park, is there any other like cool spots like Heart Lake or
I like
have you been up there?
Gumboot.
Dumb boot?
Gumboot, like you got your foot stuck.
Oh yeah, gum boot.
And then there's, I always call it Crystal Lake. I know that's not it. I think it's Castle Lake.
Castle
so you
Lake?
see that bridge? Just past that bridge is a road that goes uphill,
Mhm.
and you just follow that for a ways. And it'll be like a little cement landing. There'll be a bathroom. It's got a pretty good view.
Side quest accepted. Appreciate you though, brother. How's it going? I got that white people hiker. Hello. Hey, how's it going? Hey, beautiful view up there. Oh, don't fall. This is a bit alarming. Look how bald my tires are. Oh my God. That's ready to blow at any minute. That's exactly the type of motorcycle that I would want. That thing is dope. I did not realize bro was chilling in there. Butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Cheers. Little Castle Lake. So we've accepted the side mission. Apparently this is where you see the Mount Shasta, but it's not out here. Let's see if the Gucci slides can handle this one. John failed us because Heart Lake is actually where you see the dope view of Mount Shasta. Just took a scenic pee. Oh, that's cool. Pretty good view when you get up there.
Oh yeah, if
Yeah?
you get up there, you can see Shasta, and then there's another little lake kind of tucked up there. It's
Heck
cool.
yeah, appreciate you. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
How's it going? How's it going?
Good.
That tree is beautiful. Oh, I stubbed my toe while I was filming that. Ow. Jeez, look at all these. Is it pretty far down that way?
Well, it's not down, it'd be up.
Up, yeah, true.
It's, you're probably about 3/4 of a mile left.
3/4 of a mile left. All right,
It's not too bad.
I got this.
You do. It's
got
easy.
this.
Hey, the 6-year-old did.
The 6-year-old, that's what I would never give up. I need a nap. It's like, I'm a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even know this was a hike. I thought it was just a walk-up view. So I'm hungry for that view though, I wanna see it. Might as well start running. There's a bunch of snow. Look at that. That's crazy. You know, one thing that just made me do a 360 when I was depressed was just my mentality. When I'm depressed, I'm sorry for myself, playing victim. I want everyone else to feel sorry for me. I want everyone else to treat me like a victim. That's who you become, and that's like the energy you surround yourself with. But I literally kept telling myself like, no, I'm gonna get back to making content. I'm gonna start grinding again, I got to. I told myself that for 8 months until I was finally done telling myself, I'm gonna do it, and I just did it. I was like, I have to put myself in an environment to make content, to not be comfortable. I can't lay in my bed all day being sad. I gotta put myself in an environment to grind and work and build myself up. Look at this view. Holy shit. Back on the trail. Oh, here's Heart Lake. We made it. See why they call it Heart. Yeah, this is so beautiful. I don't want this thing to fall. Feels like it's ready to go. Yeah, this wood is not strong at all. All right, I'm about to walk where that person is just to get this shot. One of you guys can still hear me. All right, now the descent. We'll see you guys in Oregon. Oh, would you look at this? Back at the California coast. How did we get here? I just drove here. Next week, I'm going to be car camping in Redwoods National Forest, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Everybody have an amazing day. Peace out.